from Brunei. With today being the last day of my time here in Southeast Asia, as well as really the only full day that I had in Brunei itself, what I decided to do was spend, the day joining a group excursion over to Ulu Temburong National Park. What that is that's like an exclave that's part of Brunei. You actually have to go through Malaysia if you want to get to it by land, or if you want to get to it by boat, you can go around Malaysia. But basically what that is it's a really good way to get introduced to the rainforests of Borneo. So what we did here was we took, again, about an hour boat ride from Bandar Seri Begawan to the town of Bangar, which is in the exclave, and then about 45 minutes south to the park entrance, and then we took another long boat ride here basically to all the sites that it has to offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by showing you this. We took a little hike, actually wading in the water upstream to find that waterfall, and it's actually really nice, so you don't have to share it with 500 other tourists. Of course, need to watch where I'm going too. You could actually, go swimming in that water too. There we go, that's a much better view. And then there's actually little minnows that kind of eat that skin off your feet. They actually use that as a medicinal practice in Thailand, as well as in Bali. I decided to pass just because, I do have still an open cut, and I have heard rumors, I don't know how true they are, or what part of Borneo they're talking about, but I've heard rumors that there are flesh-eating bacteria living in some of the water on the island. Again, that could be just rumors, it could be a completely different part of the island, but I decided not to take that chance. So it's like the Costa Rica of the East, and it's also into that category of islands that, are pretty much the only place that you can find certain life forms. It's been said that everything on Borneo flies, because you got, in addition to all the different, species of birds that only live here, you also have flying lizards, you have flying foxes, which are actually a species of bat, and then of course you have all the, insects that are only indigenous to Borneo. The only thing that you don't get is flying monkeys. You pretty much have to take the yellow brick road for that one. But one species of monkey that you only find here on Borneo is the Proboscis monkey. That's the one that kind of looks like Jason Biggs. Big nose, big belly, and a lot of red covering the face that makes it look like it did some unholy things to a cherry pie. A word to the wise, do not come here with expensive Jordans or anything like that, because you will get them dirty. And there you go. The rainforest of Borneo. But yeah, I mean, if you're really big into ecotourism, or not to stereotype age groups, but if you have grandparents that are really into birding, definitely recommend coming to Borneo. It's, I mean, it doesn't matter if it's Malaysian Borneo, departing into Kota Kinabalu, and then taking tours from there, or actually doing Brunei, or the Indonesian portion of Borneo. It's an amazing, amazing place to come visit. So we've got the sun coming out here, and you know, I'm gonna have to say, this makes me want to come back and do the Malaysian part. So once again, thank you for watching, and then of course, thank you for joining me on everything I've reported thus far.